Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we are talking about a feature that's quite popular, and it is the screensaver. And Windows 8, of course, like all past versions of Windows, has the ability to have screensavers. Now, first a little story about screensaver. What is a screensaver? Why does it exist? Today a screensaver is probably more of a novelty item, is something that you want to add so that when your computer is not in use you have these beautiful animations, beautiful pictures and stuff. It used to be because on the very old computers where we had big CRT screens that would burn in if the screen was always the same image, somebody came out with the idea of a screensaver that when you don't touch your computer for a few minutes, you will actually have moving objects, moving pictures, changing pictures, and all in the idea that if your display is sensitive and can actually stay marked by an image that's always the same, it will prevent your screen from burning out. In 2013, that is not really a problem anymore, not even on plasma screens. The first first plasma TVs actually had problems with the burnout or the burn-in of their displays, which is not really a problem in the plasmas today in 2013. They made some changes and it's not really a problem in general. And you really have to have the same picture for hours and hours at a time for something like that to happen anyway. On LCD and laptop screens and most screens today, it's not something you need to worry about, even if your start screen stays like this 24 hours at a time. It won't burn in your screen. It's not the same technology used today for that. But a screensaver is a cute little thing that you can still add to your computer. Lots of people for a while, for example, one of the very popular screensavers was the aquarium with little fishies going around and stuff like that. Now there are two ways to get a screensaver. You can go out and buy, or you can download from the internet screensavers that sell for various amounts of money. Or you can also just use one of the internal screensavers of your computer. So in Windows 8, to get your screensaver, all you have to do is go into the charms bar when you're on your start screen, either by swiping from right to left, and just go into the search and just type screensaver and go into settings on the right side, and you'll see change screensaver. You'll click there and it's going to bring you to the desktop mode where you'll have the screensaver settings show up. Now here it says none, I have no screensavers, but you have a choice in Windows 8, so you can click and have a view of what they are. If you want to have a preview, you just click the little preview button. It's going to show you the screensaver that you just chosen. For example, here is this text where you can actually go into the settings and change it. You can actually put your own little text, for example, the official Windows 8. And then you can change the size, you can change the speed of rotation, the resolution of the text, the font, the type of effect. And once you've set it up, you just preview what you've just done, and here you are with a screensaver. And so you can check on the list, lots of different screensavers. Lots of them are pretty much like the screensavers that were in Windows 7 and Vista. They didn't really innovate much here. You can use your photo gallery, your photos, ribbons, whatever you choose, it's there. And of course, if you've bought a screensaver from the internet, downloaded one, maybe you bought one in the store on a CD and installed it. Well, it should show up here in the list with all the other screensavers. And you've got settings on your screensavers also, and it says how long to wait before the screensaver sets. One of the problems that people have is that they often set this number too low. It's kind of annoying when you don't touch your computer for just 1 minute that your screensaver starts up. It's a little too fast, I believe. A good setting, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that's a nice setting for screensavers. One word of caution about the screensaver is that your computer probably has a sleep mode time. For example, most laptops have a 5, 10, 15 minute delay for sleep. So if you have a 10-minute delay for sleep, for example, and you put your screensaver at 15 minutes, well, you'll never see it. So you got to be careful. Your delay has to be smaller than your delay in the sleep settings of your computer, because that's one of the features in your computer's settings. A lot of people say, well, I never see my screensaver. Okay, because your sleep mode goes active after 10 minutes and you've put your screensaver at 15 minutes. You'll never see it because your computer basically goes to sleep before it can actually activate the screensaver. So that's the little settings you can have here, how many minutes, and you also have one of the options that says on resume display the login screen. So if you have a password, for example, before entering your computer, that could be a good idea, because when the screensaver starts, you know that if somebody else wants to access your computer, you'll be back to the lock screen and you'll have to enter your password. So hope you enjoyed and now know how to set your little screensaver on your computer. If you enjoy our videos, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. If you have a feature of Windows 8 you'd like us to talk about, please let us know also. We'll try to put a video online. And hope that you check out our other videos. If you've got that new Windows 8 machine or planning to buy one, well, lots and lots of videos online to help you use your Windows 8 computer to the maximum. So thanks for watching and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.